Hey guys, I have a short video here for you. If there is a squeaky noise when you're steering the wheel, first thing you have to check is power steering fluid. And to do that, just be careful how you open this. That dipstick, it's tight, so you check it. Make sure it's all the way to max. If it's more of that, could be the problem somewhere start leaking. And also if there is on minimum, that could be the problem with the squeaky noise. So just please be careful how you open this. And if you need to add, you can add from here. Also, if it's not ever changed that filter, maybe it's the right time to do it. Just open it, it's twisting. Let me show you how it's like this. It's originally, so you squeeze like this, change it, like pull out that one, the plastic and spring is gonna stay. Put the new filter, and let me show you here inside. Do you see on the side it's have to be coming this way down, then that's it. And close it. That should fix the problem. Thank you.